Ek's lus vir braaivleis, Maritjie. Het hulle braaivleis in Amerika? Hierdie spyskaart is eintlik boring. Daar's niks, daar's net kak hier. En is baie duur.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Can I take your orders?
Yes, I would like to.
Yeesh.
Sure, sir. What would you like?
Luister vir my uitseen, jy lyk Afrikaans hoor. Luister. Het julle braaivleis?
Sir, excuse
Ek
me?
lus vir braaivleis.
Ja, kan jy net
Engels vir braai.
Engels praat?
Maritjie asseblief, nie vandag nie. Nie vandag nie. Jy begin om my knoppe te druk hoor. Jy's flippin laasdag hier nadat jy in Amerika is. Do you have the braaivleis?
I'm sorry, sir. I do not understand a word you're saying.
The braai meat, the meat that is gebraai. That is
Liefie, praat
Hou jy nou
Engels.
van jou na toe asseblief. Want dit is die rede dat ons in Amerika is. Volgende week gaan ek wakker word in China. En ek weet nie om Chinese te praat nie. Ek sukkel met Engels. Nou dat Chinese praat. Ching chong chang chang alang ching chang biltong. Nee, volk, nee. Luister asseblief. Seun, het jy 'n braaivleis?
Oh my
Bro,
god.
Kabrai is crazy. Next week we'll be in China, and you know I struggle with English.
The braai place. Oh my god.
Bro,
He even resorted to English and they just still
Bro,
braai place.
literally.
Like that.
But what sent me was Kabrai
Kabrai.
was Afrikaans style.
Honestly, as a person who's shit in Afrikaans, I just add kh to the end of
Actually-
whatever I don't like know,
Yeah.
just add a kh.
wait.
Like anything you don't know, just
What?
add a kh and it sounds right.
So, ek kan shop too. What? Nah, bro. Yo, that is crazy.
That's what I used to do, honestly. That's what I used to do. And still do.
Nah, that's wild, bro.